Okay, I got what I think is my final package for my camera gear. Let's open it. All right. It's my flat panel light. Oh, that's nice and big. It's a lot bigger than I expected it to be, actually. You know, sometimes I ought to look at the measurements online, right? But had a pretty good price on it. Can't tell you what the price is because I can't remember offhand. But this helps with the bridge cameras because the night lighting on them is not very good and everything becomes pixelated and distorted. So how many okay, I'll have to see if there's paperwork in here. I forgot how many LED lights is in there. Okay, and there is battery charger. Okay, you charge it with the USB, mini USB port, cable, mounting kit, which is nice, and of course the battery. So the thing I liked about this is you do not have to plug it into your camera for it to function. So there is the light, and that's nice. That's big. Okay, another mounting bracket, a dual mounting bracket, which is really cool. I've got lots of mounting brackets for my camera now, and of course the hot shoe bracket as well. Nice. Or maybe that's a stand. Yeah, that could be a stand. Okay, so here's the thing. So it has 204 LED lights on it. Nice. It's going to be nice and bright. And it has different functions on it. There we go. Over here you can look at the different functions it offers. Dinner knob, color temperature knob, battery, blah blah, all kinds of stuff. So that's really nice. I want to say I paid around $25 for this. I got it off of eBay. I'll have to look back and see. Not bad. Okay, I'll have to charge the battery before I can play with it. But since that is a standalone type of light, I can mount it on the camera itself via the hot shoe. Of course, I have other hot shoe mounts, as I've already shown. A triple hot shoe mount, which will be really handy. Camera is right here. In this section right here is where my mic port is. And this section here is where my remote and such go into. Very cool. And yes, this is a stand right here. I also went to Hobby Lobby and bought little bags to put, you know, the smaller USB cords and these type of things in. Okay, so the way this mounts to your camera is have this mount here, screws on the back of that, and then the hot shoe mounts on top of the camera. Okay, there you go. It's real simple. Really simple. And here's a little more information on the bottom of the box for the Tyca dimmable. For the Tyca dimmable 204 LED flat panel. So you can pause that to read it. I'm using my phone cord to charge this battery up. Once I charge it up, then we'll play with it. Okay, it is dark out here. Sun is set, and I am testing the new light and the Rode mic. Let's turn the light on. Okay, not a whole lot of difference there, right? Let's see if it makes a difference here. No, it doesn't make a difference. Okay, if I'm doing the van, yes. Only if the light's shining on things. Okay, there we go. But if I go up here, then no. Of course, the light can't shine on the sky. So yeah, I can film the ground. Just what everybody wants to see, right? Catch my van. Okay, it does reflect off the van. How about my little garden area out here? This is my old bike. Seat is worn out because I do ride this every day. And I do have a seat cover, but I don't leave it on when I'm not using the bike. Check out the rest of the garden area. Flowers. Okay, let's practice with the light variations. So that's down low. Okay. There we go. Hey. Okay, this is a neat light. I think it would work better indoors for indoor type shooting. Still, it works for this though. Okay, yeah, it's working for that. Okay, so it'll work for some things. So that's good. Look, smile, you're on camera. Little sitting area. And where all my hibiscus plants are, and a chimenea. This is what a full-time life at an RV park is like. So there you go. Here's my test. Here's my neighbor's site. Okie dokie. Let's see if we can catch Puffin. Hey, Puffin. No? Wow. There she is. There's Puffin. What, baby? Huh? I'm over here trying to do my business and you're trying to catch me on camera. Gee, Mom. Okay, I'll let Puffin do her business. Okay, this particular camera, I cannot shoot it face on because I just get a huge white light. So we'll just shoot against this little thing here. And those are the different ranges that turns it off. There you go. You might be able to kind of get an idea of what the grid looks like. There you go. And then that's the color saturation. So let's see what it looks like against this. So that I'm using the warmth color saturation thing. Okay, now the brightness. Wrong button knob there. So there you go. I think for indoors it'll work great. Okay, so yeah, this is my last piece of camera equipment that I'm purchasing for a while. Let's hope. So anyhow, take care, thank you for watching, and live the life you love. Oops, don't hold the camera on the side. Still getting used to this camera. Catch y'all later. Bye.